Guys, do you know about grid logo design? So, watch this 3-step video till the end, and you'll learn how to create a great grid logo design. Select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Copy and paste it. Hold down the Shift and Alt keys and then increase the size. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Select the Line Segment tool and draw the line. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Again, draw the line. Again, to make a duplicate. Select the ellipse, copy it, and then paste it. Hold the Shift key, then decrease the size and fit it into the corner. Hold Alt and drag to make a duplicate. Select the Rectangle tool, then hold down the Shift and Alt keys while drawing the rectangle. Remember to select both objects, use the Shape Builder tool to pick the right color, and follow my instructions. Pick a Magic Wand tool and delete the lines. Choose a fill color and save your selection. Hey everyone, please comment to suggest what tutorial I should do next. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.